Hello again, the Lulubers. Yes, welcome to me. This is me, your Elder Witch, and we will have a collective reading. What are we going to expect? What are we needed to hear from the spirits? So spirits connect with us. Gods and goddesses connect with us, and kung sino man po ang inyong angels connect with us. Kung may mga demonyo kayo dyan, demons, connect with us. Okay? Let's see what we are needed to hear. We need to hear what we are needed to acknowledge, to be acknowledged. Okay, if you want to avail a private reading with me, you can always go on my TikTok account that is Takora Ranger, and doon na po kayo pwede mag-avail ng private reading with me. So, yun. Send ko po ang link doon kung paano po kayo makokontak. So, we have here the Nine of Hearts. Nine of Hearts is very significant with what we call luxury, wish fulfillment. This is energy is like solo energy kasi hindi siya 10, but this is a completion card, luxury card, which is you are okay being with yourself, you are okay being alone, you are okay without anyone's help. That is being honored here. Honor yourself, honor yourself, honor your freedom, honor your luxury. So, do what you need to do and what you feel to do. So, ganon. So, we have here the Five of Clover, which is significant with what we call that war. War or conflicts. You are in between conflicts now. So, we have here, you need to resolve your conflicts. It's either within yourself or outside or with someone. You need to resolve your conflicts. I can feel from this collective that you are having conflict within yourself, within your energies. I can feel that you are having conflict of what to do and what to need to do and what you want and what you need. So with the Nine of Hearts card here, telling you that do what will make you happy. Okay? Okay. We have the Ten of Hearts, which is a wish fulfillment with engaging with your family, engaging with someone, engaging with your friends. That is it. So, nandito tayo sa Nine of Hearts at Ten of Hearts. So, we have here enjoying your solo time and enjoying time with spending with your family and friends. So, ganon. We have here Ace of Diamonds. We have the Ace of Diamonds is very significant with money, and I don't want to talk about money, you know it. Alam nyo naman yan. So, but something is needed to be expecting to come soon. This Ace of Diamonds is expecting to come sooner. Yes, might be tomorrow, might be in the next 5 days. It depends on what you are having or on what on you are planting. Like ganon. The seed is growing, you know it. You know it. Just water the plant. Hindi naman tutubo ang buto kung hindi mo naman didiligan. No, yun yan. So we have the Jack of Hearts. Jack of Hearts is exploring about your emotions, exploring about your passion with regards to your emotions. So sometimes we are overwhelmed with our emotions. We are not expressing our emotions well, but with this Jack of Hearts, you are advised to express your emotion. It's either bad, negative emotion, which is sadness, anger, and fear. It is okay to express those emotions. Hindi naman, tandaan nyo, hindi naman tayo perfectong tao na dapat lagi lang masaya. Hindi rin naman maganda na lagi lang tayo masaya. No? Like ganun. Ipakita mo rin na meron din namang it's okay to cry. Tandaan nyo yan. It's okay to feel angry with someone. It's okay to what we call that, to have fear of losing someone, fear of rejection. It's okay to feel that. No, we have the Four of Clover, which is very significant with ang kapte ng leg ko. Bagong gupit kasi. So, I don't want to reveal my hair, but it's okay. So, the Four of Clover regards with a surprise, and also invitation. No? We have that card. So, Five of spade is significant with what we call that. What we call that? What we call that? Limot ko. Charot. What we call that regrets. You are having regrets this past few days. But it's okay to have regrets. It is honored. It is honored. Tandaan nyo. We have the Seven of Pentacles, which is the seed is growing. You are planting your seed. Pwede nang anihin. So, yon. Pag sinabi kong seed, pag sinabi kong planting, you know what it is. I don't want to talk about money. So, I want to talk about the plant. No? The plant. Okay? Okay. So, doon tayo sa halaman. So, we have the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is significant with your thoughts, with your mentality. Honor what you are having with your intuition. Trust your intuition. Trust your inner voice. Trust your inner calling. Just trust what what's inside your head. Okay? It is being here. We have the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is very significant with what we call emotions, emotions that are being acknowledged. I can feel here with love, affection. You are having love and affection all around you. You know it. You know it. So sorry for my vibe that para tayo dito yung nasa groovy. Like, ganun. I don't want to show my hair, so I don't want to show my hair. So, just ano na lang, kasi like, add me on my another account, or follow my another Instagram account, so you can see my hair there. So, I don't want to spoil anyone with my hair. Like, you know it. So we have the Two of Wands in reverse. Like you having conflicts about yourself. You are choosing. You are choosing between two. And that is not having good impact to you. Because Two of Wands in reverse is not good. Like these two choices that you are having, you will definitely regret it later, whichever path you take. So, therefore, choose what makes you happiest right now. Tandaan nyo, talagang i-regret nyo rin yun. Sabi nga ng mahal na Diyos si Aqua. Kasi yun talaga ang sinabi ng mahal na Diyos si Aqua. So we have here the unicorn cards, because of the tarot cards again. So we have here daring mermaid. Be daring. I can feel that you are going to be daring with your energy as the mermaid. Do what you feel uncomfortable to do. Yes. Kasi like pag sinabing daring, like it's very daring. Like you know it, alam niyo na yon, gets niyo na yon. So pag sinabing daring, alam niyo na though it's not comfortable to do that, but you have to do it anyways. Like ganon. We have mystery, not a snowman. Do you wanna build a snowman? So, yeah. So, with that energy, with the snowman card, with mystery, don't be afraid to go on to an unknown path. Kasi nga we have the daring card in the mystery card. So, if that is said, be bold and make the first move. Ay, bakit napunta doon? Like, hindi pa ako nag-monology card, ha? Pero, I can feel that be bold and make the first move or like be daring to make it happen. So yun. Like you don't know the answer to that question, but you will definitely never know the answer if you don't try to make it work. Like, di ba ganon? Parang sinabi na sa akin ni Sister Anne. Pero sabi ko, ayoko sister. I'm happy with the Aquarius. I'm happy with the Aquarius, Taurus, and Libra and Pisces. Charot. So, we have here divinity. Divinity that you are divine. You are guided by the divine energy. Or you are the divine energy itself. You are expressing yourself as divine energy that can control anything that you want, that will go to the mysteries of the world and daring anyone comes across. Like ganon. So, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yun. Basta lang, bila na lang lumabas sa aking bunganga. So, yun. So, we will have here, ba't kulang-kulang aking tarot card? So, okay. So, let's move on kasi wala yung kalahati. Wala yung kalahati. So, let's move on with this divine the light seeker card. Let's see what the light seekers are going to advise you. What is needed going to be here. Ano yung dapat yung marinig. So we have Krishna, devotion. Trust your urge, spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. Your spiritual guidance, kung sino man yung sinasamba nyo, you are being guided. Sabi ni Lord Krishna, your devotion is acknowledged. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. Always remember, even though there are the hardest times, there's uh, there is always a rainbow after the rain. So, don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when I lost your love. Like, hindi ko alam kung bakit ko nakanta yan kanina. Kanina pa. Kahapon pa talaga. Like, bakit? We have Odin, psychic insight. Sabi ni Father Odin, your third eye is open. See the truth for what it is. Follow your intuition. Just like I said with the Ace of Swords, just follow your intuition. Like what we call that. You know what? You know what will happen. Eventually, you will know the truth. You will see the truth for what it is. Like, it is already been given. You know it, you know it, you know it. Like ang mellow na ating voice. So let's see, ito malon, who is this card? We have hope, love, and acceptance. Love is yours. Recognize your divine worth. Choose loving thoughts. Always choose loving thoughts even though if you hated the world. So, tandaan nyo guys, hindi lahat ng bagay ay makakasama sa inyo. Sometimes, the spirits, the universe, inilalayo tayo sa mga bagay na hindi naman sa atin nakakabuti. Diba? You know it. You know it. Tandaan nyo guys, hindi lahat ng bagay na nawawala sa atin is like a loss. Sometimes it is a blessing in disguise. I don't know bakit napunta ako doon kasi dapat love and acceptance. Love is yours. Your, your divine worth. Choose loving thoughts. So, bakit tayo napunta doon? So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi, someone needed to hear that message. Like, you know it, you know it. Kasi sabi nung spirit guides, charot. Hindi, tsaka ko na na-chika yung spirit guides ko. So, don't let your pride get in your way with full moon in Leo. Huwag ka kasi masyadong ma-pride. Huwag din mo, masyado na ako ma-pride. Masyado na ako ma-pride. Parang akong na back to basics nitong ating card. Masyado rin naman ako ma-pride. So, we have tumalon. Emotions are running high. And we have here, communication is the key. So, ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Like, ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Wala naman dito nakikita. Ano naman pala yung card na yun? Ito yung be bold and make the first move. Ayan. Sabi ko, hindi naman lumabas dito sa ating monology card. So, don't let your pride get in your way because pride is a sin. Charot. Pride is a sin. And a sin is salt. So, hindi naman sa So, don't let your pride get in your way. Huwag pangunahin ni Lucifer ang iyong utak. Charot. So, hindi naman yan. Huwag tayo mag-angiology dito. So, don't let your pride get in your way because minsan yung ego natin o yung pride natin mas maano pa yan. Hindi tayo magiging masaya kapag lagi tayong ma-pride. Tandaan nyo yan. You know it. Emotions are running high. Your emotions are running high. Pinapakita dito ng ating cards that you are fully emotional. Communication is the key. If you want to communicate with someone, you should communicate it. You should say what you are needed to say. You should say that what you are wanting to say. Like, ganon. Like, someone is needing this message. Like, ganon. Especially if you are a Gemini. Ang Gemini daw na ko sa chika lang sa collective lang din. Like, nanonood kasi ako ng mga collective. Ang mga Gemini daw, like, is like talaga machikadora. So, napaisip ako, may Gemini placement ba ako? Like, wala naman ako ang Gemini placement. Like, ganon. Titignan natin ang mga Diyos ang gagabay sa inyo. Sinong Diyos ang gagabay sa inyo. We have is called the future. The future is uncertain. Prepare for the future. I-prepare nyo ang sarili nyo sa mga what will happen in the past few days, in the past few weeks, in the past few months. Because they are a major shift here telling me that you will have a major shift here with your career, with your life, like there is something with that. prepare yourself. So sabi nga, always plant the seed. No? Always plant the seed that you are planting. So, maat the truth. Something is going to speak, someone is going to speak the truth. Like, connect with your spirits, connect with someone, connect with the higher, connect with the universe. So, kung ano man, kung sino man ang mga gabay nyo, they will tell the truth. Or someone will tell the truth of how they feel, what are their thoughts, and what are their kinemic truth. You know it. You know it. And we have here salvation. Salvation with Green Tara. With that said, anong isasalba nyo pa? May isasalba pa ba kayo? Like, your situation, need salvation. Anong situation mo ang need ng salvation? Like, is there something that needed salvation? We have here Lakshmi fortune. You have a good fortune awaiting for you. That fortune will lead you to your plans, goals, your career. So be prepared for that future with the fortune here with Lakshmi. So we have Iris, communication. Someone is wanting to communicate with you, or you are wanting to communicate with someone. I can feel with Iris, your spirit guides will communicate with you. So just listen, see the signs, tingnan niyo yung mga signs. So like, chika ko lang quick chika lang before I split this live. So I split this video. So quick chika lang. So like I am communicating with my spirit guides, but they are telling me something that I don't want to hear and no longer serving me. So hindi ko alam kung pakikinggan ko ba mga spirit guides ko, the gods and goddesses. Even though yung God na sinasamba nyo, like, hindi ko alam kung pakikinggan ko siya with the situation. So, even the angels, even my patron gods, hindi ko alam kung pakikinggan ko sila with the situation. But, if you see me elsewhere na having something like, you know it, that is my spirit guides telling me to do that. So, I don't know, kasi like, they want me to have this, like, this, the spirit guides, the gods and goddesses from other religions and all the religions are like, nagkakaisa na sila. Like, nung una, diba, like, I told you that the gods and goddesses from the higher worlds and my spirit guides are agreed to have me the power to create and to enjoy myself and to what we call that and to enjoy myself and what we call that again, to enjoy myself and having the peace of mind that I needed. Now I have those things that I enjoy myself being alone, and my spirit guides is telling me like, we want to go with your patron gods, like yung nasa pantheons, like we want to go with her, we want to go with Hecate's way of making you happy, like ganon, like what the fuck. So, yun na nga. They want to go with Hecate's way of making me happy. They want to go or of what Ishtar's way of making me happy. They want to go with Morrigan's way of making me happy. Like, ganon. And, sabi ko, I'm okay of being single. Like, I'm fine being single. But, they are throwing me, throwing me, throwing me, throwing me, throwing me, throwing me. Like, chika ko lang, chika ko lang. So, nasa labas ako kanina. Like, you know it. So, there is this guy, like, pauwi na kami ni Roland. So, sundo kay Roland. And nakatitig siya sa akin, like, estimated age, 21. He's cutie, like, short, and have, um, light, like, light skin tone. So, yun yung pinakang, ano, so, had dark hair, dark eyes. So, like, as in, cutie naman siya, but nakatingin lang siya sa akin as in, naglalakad siya. Like, ganito, like, naglalakad ako, then, nakatitig siya, tapos tumigil siya, nakatingin siya sa akin, tapos, yung eyes ko kasi nakaganon, nakatingin din sa kanya, as at the same time, napapansin ko siya na, yung ano niya, yung tingin niya, nakahabo, like, ganon. So, like, you know me, pag nasa labas ako, I'm pretty masculine, and talagang marami na attract. So, gano'n. So, may mga ganong moments and ganun talaga. So, kaya, ganito ba naman yung outfit mo? Like, tas, cutie pa maglakad. Tas, I don't want to reveal my hair kasi talagang, that's for that my hair is for someone to see, not for you guys. So, I'm sorry. Sorry. So, if you want to see my hair, dapat makita nyo lang ako in person or to avail my private reading. So, yun lang yung the only way to see my hair. Kasi ganito ang chika, like, kailangan ko talagang i-protect ang aking crown chakra. Kaya hindi ko na pinapakita masyado ang aking hair with you guys and elsewhere. So, ganun. And, I don't want to ruin the spoilers. What I did to my hair. Kalbo lang talaga ako kaya kaya ganyan. Kalbo lang. Kalbo lang talaga. So, with that said, and with your thoughts here, leave your thoughts here in the comment section if this resonated with you. Just comment, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching The Quick Chica and your collective. You got it. You got it. You know it. You know it. Peace, you little birds.